Hey guys, this is John Hockaday here at New Horizons, and we got an announcement that some of you probably have seen that CSI Life here in Illinois and Nebraska and Texas, but we have a lot of you here in Illinois, is ending their production days February 28th here in 2019. So just a few more weeks. And then CSI Life is no longer going to be writing new business. Their sister company, Central States of Omaha, CSO, is taking off right then on March the 4th, and we'll be going strong out the chute with Central States of Omaha. So, like all good things, they come to an end. We've really had a great run with CSI Life, and looking forward to even a better one with CSO as they get ready to enter the market here in our state. So, a couple of quick things. Number one, on contracting, if you're currently a CSI Life active agent, which we have a lot of you here in our states, in Illinois, like I said, we'll have a real simple, easy contracting process for you, where it's just basically your name, your last four of your social, and you'll be off and running with CSO. If you're not appointed with CSI Life, it's going to be full contracting, which we can do on the heels of that starting in March. So the main thing right now is we just want to make sure that all of our CSI Life agents get ported over, get contracted over to the new CSO. Now, another thing, if you're a two-tier agent with CSI Life, really, really good news is that book with CSI Life, as long as it stays on the books, you'll continue at that tier 2 level. No matter if your existing book drops down or not, you'll stay at that high level of tier 2, and that's a lifetime comp, by the way, if you remember that. So that's a real plus. And then secondly, something that we're real excited about is if you move or you need to move a CSI Life customer to the new CSO, it's an underwritten process. So it's a regular underwritten app, but it's full comp and it's a brand new 6 years. So it starts all over again. So the folks that have enjoyed CSI Life and everything about them are going to be able to continue on with CSO if you end up putting them there. So just wanted to give you a heads up on it. There's going to be more to come. These rates with CSO, really strong rates. I mean, that's a given, but they're going to be real edgy rates, priced real competitive, and something you're going to be proud of to show your customers. So be looking for it. All right? Thank you.